Once upon a time, in 1924, a family lived in the grounds of Boston Manor. And when winter came, the house was full of cosy cheer and clamour. Little Kate loved her brothers and sisters, but she liked the quiet too. She loved the fresh air and the tall, tall trees and the chill wind as it blew. Although she was sat in her wheelchair, that didn't stop her going here and there. "Have fun, Kate, but be back before dark," she heard her mum call as she circled round the park. That day in the air there was magic around. The trees shifted with a creaking sound, and as the ducks and swans frolicked on the lake, snow started to fall on the ground. Just then, as she wheeled along, a little robin sang the sweetest song. Kate listened as it chirped and hummed and followed its winding path. The trees got tall, the redwoods and pine covered the white and snowy sky. She felt happy and safe and loved the feel of the bark until she realised that it had slowly gotten dark. Now feeling nervous as could be, Kate pulled out her lantern so she could see, and by the light of the candle in her hand, the same lovely robin came into land. "Don't worry, little Kate, I know a song to make you feel calm. You might be out a little late, but I'll help you find your way back home." As Kate and Robin sang their song, she wheeled herself further along.
Winter wishes out you go, as sometimes time can go so slow. When I sleep I'll dream of you, my winter wishes help me.
And soon the most wonderful smell wafted its way into her nose. Kate could smell a lovely roast, mulled apples and cinnamon toast, fruitcake and gingerbread. The lights of home glowed softly right ahead. "There you are! We were getting worried!" cried out all of Kate's family, as they brought her in and bundled her up warm and gave both her and Robin some hot sweet tea. The whole family was so happy to have Kate back, plus a new friend, that they ate their dinner all together, and that was very nearly the end. But Kate asked Robin to teach everyone his lovely winter wishes song, so that if any should get lost on their way back home, they would never feel all alone.
Birds hop around in the winter snow. They peck the ground, then off they go. Peck, 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 and hop, hop, hop. Those pretty birds will never stop. Winter wishes out you go, as sometimes time can go so slow. When I sleep I'll dream of you, my winter wishes help me through. Sometimes when things don't go right, we all must work together and fight. Forwards we will stride, 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 and hold our heads up high with pride. Winter wishes out you go, as sometimes time can go so slow. When I sleep I'll dream of you, my winter wishes help me through.